LearnUp TV, where learning is a joyful adventure. Hey there, nature buddies! Get ready for some wild and wacky fun in the amazing world of nature adventure time. Nature is like one big play zone. There's climbing, jumping, and so much to explore. It's all about having a blast. Look at all the bright colors, flowers, and butterflies. Butterflies make the world a rainbow of fun. Have you ever catch a butterfly with a net? Yeah, you must try that. Up in the sky, birds are the acrobats of nature. They flip, flop, and put on an amazing show. Have you ever seen a bird sitting on a branch of the trees? Yeah, it's so much fun to see birds sitting on the trees. Say hi to your forest pals, squirrels, deer, and more. They are all ready to play and be your buddies. Rivers are like water playgrounds. Splash, swim, and soak up the fun. Look at those big mountains. They are like nature's playground equipment. Climb, explore, and enjoy the view. Sunny days are perfect for picnics. Pack your favorite snacks and let's have a picnic party. And to respect the Mother Nature, don't left any kind of food or leftover things there. Yes, you should gather that things and put in the garbage box. Gardening is like a silly fiesta. Plant, water, and have a garden dance off. Yes, playing with the garden stuff like soil, sand, and water is so much fun. And don't forget to wash your hands when you finish your gardening. Yeah, that's like a good boy. Rainy days means puddle parties. Put on your rain boots and let's splash around. And don't forget to get your umbrellas. At night, stars twinkle like bedtime stories. Camp under the stars, share tales, and make wishes. We are Earth's helpers. Clean up, be kind to our planet, and make it smile. That's our nature adventure time. We hope you had a naturific time with us. Until next time, wave goodbye and keep exploring.